It's Nancy today. I'm going to make soap for you. I'm making it here at Mira. If anyone would like to watch, I'm going to make soap now. Hi.
Hi there. I'll watch for a minute.
You don't have to watch.
They get mad at me to not watch.
Oh yes, you better go to your booth.
Yeah.
Fine. So first I put in my water. So I put my 3 cups of water in. And then my lime. I have a container of it back here. Hello. I'm fine. You must smell the one with the honeycomb edges.
Right here?
Yeah. No, the one in the little dish.
Oh, right here.
It's lavender musk vanilla. Isn't that something?
Especially when it's your special weekend.
You might not like it as much as I do.
The anniversary. 45 years.
There are some that are made with, there's a table over here as well. There's some that are made with old-fashioned, the way Grandma did, and some that are just vegetable oil. If they say Grandma, then it's got the fat in it, you know, beef fat, but if it doesn't, it's all vegan. And you're welcome to pick them up and smell them. Now, because this is such a deep container, it's okay to do it with not an accident waiting to happen. So I'll put that to the side now. And I shall mix up my oils. I like to keep it simple. I don't like to have a long list of ingredients. That's sort of weird stuff. So I generally just use one type of oil along with castor. Hello.
And in the fall, you get kind of something. I don't know if there is an art where we do.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Now there's some leftover castile in here from my last batch.
Yeah, I'll do my best. I try. This is George. That is a bitter.
Hi.
We have one. I haven't heard him this year.
I'm making the soap today, so
That's a good idea.
see how to do it.
Yep, that's a good idea.
Is this mirrored? Is this down your place? Oh, is this your farm? Oh, that's gorgeous. Yeah. You laid all
I'm making soap if you wanted to watch.
My grandmother makes soap.
Your grandmother made it?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is made with vegetable oil. For some with I have made a lot like Grandma with the beef tallow.
Yeah.
And that is, they all say grandma's if it's made with that. But if it's just vegetable oil, then the rest are, vegan. So you mix part of it. I put the lye and the water together. All soap has lye in it. There is no such thing as soap without lye. No matter how pure or whatever, it all comes from lye.
And what's lye?
It's you usually in the olden days they would make it by running rainwater through ashes, but now they make it by chemical means.
Okay.
So it's sodium hydroxide. It used to be potassium hydroxide, like there's 2 kinds. So I measured the oil and I measured the water and I put the lye in the water and that heats up. And then I measure the oil and then I pour the mixture in. And then I wait for it to thicken. And when it thickens, it's ready to pour into the mold. Or I can plug this in.
And how would you just cool it?
You keep it warm for 24 hours and then you cut it. Yeah, if it's got tallow in it, you have to cut it right away at 24 hours. But if it's all oil, like this is all oil today.
You can cut it.
So this takes longer. It'll stay softer longer. And some of this now is hand milled. The ones that are the funny shaped bars, those are hand milled. That means I cook them in the crock pot afterwards. So then they don't have to cure as long. They're ready to use as soon as they turn clear in the pot. Smell the one in the little dish.
This?
No, in the dish.